Hello, I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing Play Create, and today I have a really fun and easy Valentine's Day rhythm stick activity. Thanks for being here today. Let's get started. This song is an original song I wrote and it's super easy to learn. There's a variation of this song in an Orff arrangement I made that's available on our website at TBT, but I'm going to give you the song, a new version of it today that I put together so we can do a rhythm stick activity with it. When I teach this song to the students, I'm going to have them pat their knees on the beat as they listen or as I sing the song. You can sing this song with the music tracks that are available on your favorite music channel, or you can just learn the song from this video and sing it a cappella. You can get all of the activities that go with this resource in my TBT store. Here's how the song goes.
Valentine's Day, everybody's waiting for Valentine's Day. Cards and treats, chocolate sweets, make me feel special, make me feel neat. Valentine, Valentine, will you be my Valentine? Will you be my Valentine on Valentine's Day? Valentine, Valentine, will you be my Valentine? Will you be my Valentine on Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day, everybody's waiting for Valentine's Day. Cards and treats, chocolate sweets, make me feel special, make me feel neat. Valentine, Valentine, will you be my Valentine? Will you be my Valentine on Valentine's Day? Valentine, Valentine, will you be my Valentine? Will you be my Valentine on Valentine's Day?
After that, I'm going to teach them the words because they're really easy, and I'll just have them echo clap the rhythms back to me, like this. Valentine's Day. And then I listen, and this is what I do when I'm listening to show them I'm ready for them. Valentine's Day. And then I listen. So I'll go through the whole song that way, just clapping the rhythms. I'm not using a rhythm chart or anything. I'm just teaching them the lyrics right now. After we do that, we're going to sing through the song. And if I'm teaching this song in kindergarten or first grade, that is probably as much as I will do in the first lesson. So we might sing the song maybe 2 more times and just have them, rocking out to it. Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day, to the beat, or they can clap the rhythms. I might ask them to show me the rhythms in body percussion. Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day, everybody's waiting for Valentine's Day. I might have them do that in kinder and first grade and even second grade. The next thing we're going to do is learn some rhythm stick rhythm patterns to play while the song is playing. Now in my kindergarten and first grade classes, they probably can't sing the song and play the rhythm sticks at the same time. So I'm going to choose to just have them worry about playing the rhythm sticks. That's all I really need them to do for this activity. The pattern for the first line of the song looks like this. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ti. So it would sound like this. Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. The next pattern we're using in the song is for the next 2 lines. It's pattern 2, and it's going to be T, 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 T. And then it uses part of line 1's rhythm, which is going to be ta, ta, T, 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 T. So for the next line, cards and treats, chocolate sweets, we're going to use the same rhythm that we used on line 1. Ta, ta, T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 T. Line 4 uses the same pattern as line 2. That pattern is T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 T. Here's how the song looks with rhythm sticks.
Valentine's Day,
If you want to take it at a slower pace, one thing you can do is just have half the class sing the song and the other half play the rhythm sticks, and then trade places. They don't need to sing along with the accompaniment. The song is simple enough that by the time you've gone through and taught them, they can just sing it a cappella. That's okay too. Then your students will be able to play along with the music. When you're lesson planning using these activities, what you want to do is take these ideas and you want to put them into a 10-minute or 12-minute segment. That means you'll want to pair this activity with some other things that either support the learning goals or are thematic, like Valentine's Day. Sing, Play, Create has a variety of game songs that you can use. One is If You Are My Valentine, and it is just right for preschool and kindergarten students, and it has animal actions in it. There is Who Will Be My Valentine game song, and our most popular one is Pass the Valentine, and there's opportunities for improvisation, so that would work really well if you were to use this activity in your 3rd grade. You might want to pair this with a scarf or a freeze dance activity that you can find on our Sing, Play, Create Kids music channel. Those kind of movement activities are great for your preschool and kindergarten and 1st grades. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe to the channel and get notifications for our weekly music and movement activities. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.